Dreaming of a lush, green yard without maintenance with natural-looking artificial grass? You can create your very own outdoor oasis effortlessly. Our artificial grass is designed to look and feel just like real grass. Soft to the touch and beautifully green, it's the perfect way to transform your yard into a vibrant, low-maintenance haven. With artificial grass, you get a stunning, natural look without the hassle. It's eco-friendly, saving water and time while staying lush all year long. Whether it's for a family play area, a pet-friendly zone, or a relaxing space to unwind, artificial grass provides a soft, safe surface that everyone can enjoy. Our professional installation ensures a seamless fit that looks completely natural. We handle everything from preparation to the finishing touches so your outdoor space is transformed in no time. Whether it's a large backyard, or a cozy balcony, artificial grass fits any space, creating a stunning green landscape wherever you need it. Ready to create your own lush, green oasis? Contact us or visit our website today. With our premium artificial grass, your yard will always look beautiful, natural, and maintenance-free.